Hello. Hi, you call Locksmith?
It's literally right there.
Okay. Alrighty.
Okay. We'll keep that.
Still send somebody, but you have to pay them, and they're more than what you're paying now.
Oh.
So,
Oh, you did that fast.
oh yeah. All right.
Oh.
Just a moment here. I'll hand that to you. Oh.
Oh, I thought that was a bug or
I don't
something.
know.
Oh, you can just scan it to pay like that?
Yep.
You don't gotta do the little thing.
Appreciate it.
What was your name again?
Christian.
Christian.
Thank you, ma'am.
Christian, so much.